If you own a 2020 or newer Polaris Slingshot and you'd like to drastically enhance your Slingshot interior, check out our new steering wheel replacements from NRG. These are not generic aftermarket wheels. In 2020, Polaris redesigned the Slingshot steering wheel by integrating controls directly into the wheel itself. Cruise control comes standard, and on higher trim models, you also get volume control, track selection, and even the Slingshot drive mode button, all built right into the wheel. Until now, that made upgrading your steering wheel extremely unlikely. That's where NRG changes the game. These steering wheels are direct bolt-on replacements designed specifically for all 2020 and newer Polaris Slingshots. No adapters, no modifications. They're built on an OEM spec, cast aluminum core that matches the factory spline perfectly, allowing you to transfer over your factory horn button, switch controls, and paddle shifters if equipped. You retain every OEM control, with a wheel that looks and feels like it belongs in a supercar, and are compatible with both manual and auto drive models. First up is the NRG perforated leather steering wheel. This wheel features premium leather with perforated leather on the sides for improved grip, moisture control, and all-day driving comfort. The flat-bottom design improves leg clearance, making it easier to get in and out of the Slingshot, while instantly upgrading the interior with a more aggressive, performance-focused look. To match your build, this wheel is available in multiple stitch colors along with a matching center stripe, allowing you to complement your Slingshot's color profile. If you really want to take things to the next level, we also offer a carbon fiber flat bottom option. This wheel combines genuine black carbon fiber with premium perforated leather, delivering an exotic, high-end look that completely transforms the cockpit. It's available with either red stitching for a bold, performance-inspired accent or black stitching for a more subtle, refined finish. If you're ready to elevate your Slingshot's interior with a premium leather or carbon fiber steering wheel while maintaining all factory controls, head on over to SlingMods.com today to grab one for yourself. And feel free to like and subscribe to stay up to date with everything on 3 wheels. Thanks for watching.